CompTIA A Core 2 Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 4.1 Given a scenario, implement best practices associated with documentation and support systems information management. Asset management. Let's jump into asset management with a quick overview of what it is and why it matters. In IT, asset management is all about tracking and managing every piece of technology in the organization, keeping an eye on devices, software licenses, warranties, and even who's using what. Why does this matter? Well, when you know exactly what assets are on hand and how they're used, it's easier to prevent unnecessary spending, troubleshoot issues, and even boost security. In other words, asset management isn't just keeping a list, it's about having an organized system that empowers you to respond quickly and strategically to any situation. At the heart of asset management, there is usually a central database system, where every detail of each asset is organized, categorized, and accessible. Think of it as the brain of your IT environment. This system holds everything, such as asset information, warranty information, software licenses, assigned users, and much more. Whether you need to check who has a specific laptop, track warranty status, or verify licensing compliance, the database system centralizes all of this information for quick access. Now that we know the value of a central database system, let's talk about what populates it. The most obvious being an inventory list of assets. This list is like a catalog for every piece of IT equipment, from desktops and laptops to network gear and software licenses. This list should be constantly updated to reflect the real-time status of each asset, whether it's newly purchased, reassigned, or ready for retirement. With a detailed inventory list, you can quickly access the specifics of any device, making it easier to budget, plan upgrades, or troubleshoot issues. The inventory list is the foundation of every effective asset management system, giving IT teams a reliable snapshot of the tools at their disposal. Next, imagine walking into a storeroom filled with identical laptops. How do you know which one belongs where? Asset tags and IDs solve this puzzle. Each device gets a unique identifier, often as a barcode, QR code, or RFID tag, linked to its profile in the database. This means a quick scan reveals everything about the device, its model, who's using it, purchase date, and maintenance history. Tags and IDs make locating and identifying devices fast and foolproof, ensuring every asset is always accounted for. Proper asset management should also account for a device's lifespan. The procurement lifecycle is all about understanding when a piece of equipment was purchased, how long it's expected to last, and when it should be replaced. By tracking this lifecycle, you can budget, plan, and make effective decisions. Therefore, the procurement lifecycle allows you to stay proactive when upgrading, maintaining, and replacing tech assets. Zeroing in on the procurement lifecycle, we come to warranties and licensing. A warranty is essentially a promise from the manufacturer to repair or replace a product if it encounters specific issues, within a set period of time. This protection can be a lifesaver for IT departments, as it keeps repair costs low, and ensures that devices are kept in optimal condition, without extra expenses. Imagine needing a repair only to discover the device is still under warranty. That's a big win. By tracking warranties, you can avoid unnecessary expenses and ensure every device is serviced in a cost-effective manner. Zeroing in on the purchase portion of the procurement lifecycle, we come to warranties and licensing. A warranty is essentially a promise from the manufacturer to repair or replace a product if it encounters specific issues within a set period. This protection can be a lifesaver, as it keeps repair costs low and ensures that devices are kept in optimal condition without extra expenses. Imagine needing a repair only to discover the device is still under warranty. That's a win. By tracking warranties, you avoid unnecessary expenses and ensures every device is serviced cost-effectively. Licensing is just as essential, as it keeps software usage above board. Licenses specify the legal terms for using software, defining how and where it can be used. Tracking licenses ensures software compliance and prevents penalties from unauthorized or expired usage. Keeping track of both warranties and licenses lets you focus on problem solving instead of red tape. Finally, we have assigned users. This step matches every device that is in use to a designated user responsible for it, creating accountability and aiding in security. By having assigned users, if a device is misplaced, you know who to check with. Assigning users to devices also helps you manage access, prevent unauthorized use, and ensure that each asset is used as intended. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.